Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to detect if both players have clicked at the same time. So the triggers you want to use: 2 move triggers, 2 touch triggers, 4 pickup triggers, an item compare, and a collision trigger, and also collision blocks. So the first thing you want to do, set all of these to spawn trigger multi-trigger, and you want to also set all of them to whatever these two are. So all of these can go group 1 and group 2. So this one will be toggle group 1, and this one will be toggle group 2. So go 1 1 2 1. Make sure to override so it sets it to 1 every time, and put these into the correlating ones. And then for this one, we can just copy these, but make sure they don't have any group yet and are set to 0. Now we're gonna set up our collision and move triggers. So for these, either one can be a dynamic block, but make sure this one has a special group ID because we're going to be moving it. So in the collision trigger, block A 1, block B 2, whatever you set it to, target ID, whatever this one is. So 5. And then we're gonna activate group, trigger on exit, and now move the collision trigger to immediately, and then we want to move it back as soon as possible, so that's like 17. And then compare item ID 1 and item ID 2 to whatever group your triggers are. So I'm just gonna get a pulse trigger, set it to group 6, make it flash the background red, and I've set this to group 6, so now when I do it, it should, there you go. So that's how you detect when both players click at the same time in 12 objects.